Hey, this is Haris from Team Android, and this here is the latest from Xiaomi, the all-new Redmi Note 8. This phone is one of the new Redmi lineups for this year, and in this video, we're going to unbox this phone and take a quick look at what it has to offer. You must be living under a rock if you're not aware of the Redmi series by Xiaomi that offers a great value package at different affordable price points. In this current lineup, there are several devices you can check out. There is the Redmi 8, the Redmi 8A, and also the Redmi Note 8 Pro. But the one we have here is the Redmi Note 8. So without wasting any more time, let's dive right into it. Before we begin, let's do a quick rundown of all the specs this phone comes with. The Redmi Note 8 is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 processor, 4GB RAM with 64GB or 120GB storage options, a quad camera setup at the back where the main camera is a 48 megapixel sensor and has a 4000 mAh battery capacity that supports 18 watts fast charging. So yeah, let's take off the wraps now. So this is the box. I love the neat packaging. There's this a picture of Redmi Note 8 at the front. There's the Redmi Note 8 branding on the sides. Here at the bottom you can see this is the Redmi Note 8 in Moonlight White. This is the 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM model. So yeah, let's open the box. So here inside the box, there's this little white box. Let's open this. So I think there should be a SIM ejection pin here, but it's not. Maybe Xiaomi decided to skip that right at the end. So yeah. Then there are a few user guides, other documentation, and but yeah, there's a transparent silicone case here. I love the fact that all these new phones come with a silicone transparent case that you can put it on your phone from day one. You don't have to go and buy a separate case after making a purchase like this one. So yeah, great work, Xiaomi. So let me put this aside, and here we have the Redmi Note 8. Inside a plastic cover. Let's take it out. So yeah, this is the Note 8, and yep, let me pull off the front and back stickers. This one, and then it keeps sticking to my hand, and this one as well. Or I'll just let this stay at the back. Yeah, so here you go. This is the Redmi Note 8 in moon white color, and I must say it looks very classy and elegant. There's a mix of colors going on here, with purple at the bottom, then there's some blue here in the middle, and some white at the top. So yeah, let's put this phone aside and let's see what else is inside the box. So we have, this is the case, right? So yeah, we have charging brick. This charging brick supports 18 watts fast charging, so you shouldn't worry much about quickly charging up this device when its 4000 mAh battery runs out. This is also, there is also a USB type A to type C cable inside, and this works with the charger well. So yeah, coming back to the phone, let's just boot it up, and there it is, Redmi by Xiaomi. So yeah, as I mentioned, this phone has 4 cameras set up at the back. The main sensor is 48 megapixels along with an 8 megapixels ultra wide camera, 2 megapixels macro camera, and a 2 megapixels depth camera for capturing those sharp portraits. For selfies, there's this 30 megapixels front camera inside this little notch up here. So the front and back of the Redmi Note 8 is protected with Gorilla Glass 5. On the right side, you can see the volume buttons and the power button. Here at the top, you can see this infrared port, so you can control your air conditioners or TVs using this phone. That's a pretty neat feature, and only a handful of phones have it these days. Huawei used to have them, but not anymore. And then here at the bottom, you can see there's an audio jack. Then there is this USB-C slot and the speaker grill. The fingerprint sensor is located here at the back, right in the middle of the glass. So yeah, this is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 running on MIUI 10. So overall, this seems like a great package and a great value for money. To further test it properly, we'll take a few days to use this device and do a full review of the Redmi Note 8. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to press the like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss our future videos. Till then, see you guys later. Bye bye.